So, I've come to clean the insides of my wheels, all the brake dust, all the shit that gets on them. So, what I'm using to clean them with is windscreen wash. Now, you watch this. It's only on because I've only got one hand, so I poured a bit on the rag as well. So there are some stubborn bits, like I say, I've only got one hand, so I can't keep putting it on, but when they're stubborn, a little bit of elbow grease and voila. Before, after, fairly easy, innit? And I suppose if you let it soak in a little bit, just rub it on gently, rub it lightly, you'll get to those bits there. You can see that's stubborn, don't want to come off, but get a bit of head shapes this stuff, you know, compared to the spray that you buy for this, or that foam spray. Just use a bit of screen wash. So removes traffic film and bugs. And there's also the summer one as well. If you look at that one, yeah, look at that. Clean as a whistle, as they say.